Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back. Today we will try to analyze one of the company has announced its quarterly results. So that also we will try to see that one. So the results are fabulously it's very impressive results we would say, and it is company is also performing very well. So we will try to analyze all those things. Before going to that, let me give a disclaimer. The content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. So without further any delay, directly let us get into the market. So it is Indian Renewable Energy Corporation. So basically it is into a business where it is providing a loan for the companies which are working in the renewable energy sector. So if you look at the 6 month performance, it is already given 133% of returns. If you look at the 1 year performance, it is given already 373% returns. If you look at the 5 years, it is listed in the December 2023. So if you look at, guys, in the last 6 months only, it has given more than 300% rally, guys. So from the IPO, from the it listing from the IPO, it was listed at 62.75. Now it is trading at 284, guys. So it is given a very fantastic rally, and it has given a very good returns as well. So the company is into the kind of a business where it will provide the loans for the renewable energy sector. So as we all know that the renewable energy sector is in demand right now. So government is also focusing on producing the renewable energy. So so they are working to reduce the dependency on the conventional way of producing the powers. So basically, in order to uh, produce the power, they were using the coals. Now the government focus has been shifted towards the renewable energy sector. So now on going forward, the renewable energy sector will be in demand. So government is also spending a lot of money into it, and the Indian IREDA, whatever we call it as, so it is also one of the PSU stocks, and it has given multi-bagger returns in the past 6 months as well. So let us get into the result now. So if you look at the result, it has announced the result yesterday. So sales are up 32% year on year, and EBIT up by 21% year on year. Net profit is up by 30% year on year. EPS is grown by 11% year on year, guys. So let us get into the numbers basically. So I downloaded it from the official website. So these are the number looks like. Let me zoom it out a little bit. So all the numbers in lakhs for this company. It is an audited report. So we will see the total revenue from the operation. If you look at the last year June quarter, this is the June quarter, and this is the March quarter, and this is the June quarter of this year. So it is 1,14,320.66 lakh crores, and in the last March quarter, 1,32,125 lakh crores. So in this particular quarter, 1,51,027 crores. So here clearly year on year and quarter on quarter, the revenue growth is there. So after the revenue, then we will see the total expenses. So so total expenses we will get into it. So year on year, 70,396 crores is there, and 91,196 crores is there. 1,03,496 crores are there. So year on year and quarter on quarter expenses also increase. After removing the expenses from the total revenue, we will get the profit before tax. So profit before tax is 43,953 lakh crores, and 47,966 lakh crores, and 47,573 lakh crores. So year on year growth is there, but quarter on quarter slight down performance is there. If you look at the profit after the tax, so here where the game changing numbers are actually for this company: 29,458.26 lakh crores, and in the March quarter 33,737.60 lakh crores, and in this quarter 38,369.34 crores. So year on year and quarter growth is there. So here in after tax, so the profit after the tax has increased gradually from year on year and quarter. The same if we can look at in the EPS format also. So it is 1.29. One second, guys. 1.25 and 1.43. So that is what we can see, that basic and diluted earning per equity share of each 10 rupees. So this is what 1.29, 1.25, and 1.43. So we will see the for any financial company, it is very much important to look at the NPA. So NPI is nothing but an non-profit assets. So basically, like if any company is working in financial segments or financial sectors, so if they are providing 1 lakh loan, how much they are able to get back to that money. So if some of the amount is not able to recover, so that will be considered as a non-performing assets. So if you look at the net non-performing asset ratio, it was like 1.61%, and now it is reduced to 0.95%. So gross non-performing asset ratio is also, earlier it was 3.08%, now it is come down to 2.19%. So here we can see clearly this was the last year June, and this is this year June. So year on year and year on year, both gross non-performing asset and net non-performing asset has been reduced. This is a very important and the key metrics for any financial company, guys. So as of now, currently I am not having any holdings in this company, because so this stock P, because 57 is the PE right now. If you look at the PS comparison, we have a REC and PFC. So those are currently trading below the industry PE actually. So PFC is available at 9.27 and REC available at 11.86. So that is the only concern with respect to this company. And apart from that, the company is performing very good in terms of returns, in terms of results, in terms of financial numbers, in terms of profit and loss. Also, we will try to see it. So in 2019 to 2020 and 2368, 2655, 2860, 3008 for 483, 4965, 5331. So revenue wise, consistent growth is there, and we'll see the net profit 250, 215, 346, 334, 865, 1252, 1300. So here also net profit, except for this year, I think it is gradual increasing is there. Even return on equity is also in 2 digits, and compounded profit growth is also in 2 digits. Sales growth is also in 2 digits. So it's a very good number. So if you want to see the holding, 75% promoter holding is there, and FIs have increased their shareholding from 1.36% to 2.70%, and the DIs have reduced their holdings from 9.4% to 0.42%. Then the public holding is 21%, guys. So all and all, the company in terms of financial numbers, it is looking very interesting, and it is profitable every year, and shareholding pattern also looks very interesting. But the thing is the stock PE. So it has given already so much of rally, and buying at this level and taking the entry point at this level could be a difficult decision. And I don't know, these are the numbers as of now looks like. So if you want to invest, please study the fundamentals thoroughly and take your own decision, guys. So that's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you so very much.